plus what? J cap. We have to find its magnitude. So magnitude of resultant vector, this one, resultant unit vector comes out to be that magnitude, which is written as, you know that is 1 and that is what, 1. So magnitude of I cap and j cap, magnitude of I cap plus j cap, OP vector, and its magnitude, that is what, OB vector, which is I cap plus j cap unit vector, and its magnitude, that is what, 1 square plus what, 1 square. So that is what, root 2. Direction, tan theta, direction, for direction, resultant I cap plus j k, what the angle makes with the x axis. So for direction, tan theta can be written as what, coefficient of j cap by coefficient of what, I cap. So coefficient of j cap, that is what, 1, coefficient I cap, that is what, 1 by 1, that is what, 1. So it can be 10 45. So direction in this case, first case comes out to be that is what, 45 degree. And next student, what is the magnitude and direction of unit vector I cap minus unit vector j cap? Again using triangle law, vector addition in triangle OAC, that is what, we have to write OA vector plus AC vector, and its direction is what, opposite. So OC vector, OA, that is what, I cap, AC, that is what, minus j cap, and the resultant of this comes out to be, that is what, I cap. So it can be written as minus I cap minus j cap, which is the resultant of unit vector I cap and minus j cap. Magnitude of vector I cap minus vector j cap means magnitude of OC vector. Magnitude of OC vector means what, I cap minus j cap unit vector, and magnitude means what, its magnitude 1 and it's also minus 1. So square of 1 plus minus 1 square, that is what, magnitude comes out to be, that is what. Again, what the resultant makes an angle with the x axis, that is what, beta. For direction, in this case, for direction of resultant unit vector I cap minus j cap makes with what, x axis. So we have used tan beta, coefficient of j cap, that is what, minus 1, and it can also be, that is what, this one. And student, it can be this will be minus 1 by 1, minus 1, and beta comes out to be that in this case, that is what, minus 45 degree. So this is the direction of the direction with resultant I cap minus j cap makes with what, x axis, which is minus 45 degree. And next student, and next part, that is given here, last part. What are the component of vector A? What are the component vector A, which is given 2i plus 3j? What are the component of vector A, which is 2i plus 3j along the direction of I cap plus j cap and I cap minus j cap. And student, I already I have explained to you that suppose that vector b is here, vector a is here, and this is the angle theta, and scalar product of vector a dot b, which is written as component of a in the direction of b, which is what, base by hypotenuse. So it comes out to be, that is what, a cos theta. So it can be written as ab cos theta. And student, a cos theta, I have already explained to you that component of a in the direction of b, that is what, a cos theta. So formula of vector a dot vector b, which is ab cos theta, and a cos theta, that is what, a cos theta, that is what, component of a in the direction of b. And student, we have to find component of vector a in the direction of I cap plus j cap and I cap minus j cap. So component of a in the direction of I cap plus j cap. So we have to write formula, that is what, vector a dot vector b by b, and this b, that is what, I cap plus j cap, and let vector b equal to what, here in first case I cap plus j cap. So vector b, we have to find the component of a in the direction of b. So component of a in the direction of b, which is what, a cos theta. So we have to find a cos theta, component of a in the direction of b, component of a in the direction of b. So we have to find what, we have to find this one. So using this formula, I have already explained to you this formula already. So we write using formula vector a dot vector b, which is ab cos theta, and student, this formula can be written as vector a dot vector b, which is b into a cos theta, and this will be written as a cos theta is component of a, magnitude of component of vector a in direction of vector b. So we have to find, so vector a dot vector b, it can be written as vector a dot vector b. In first case we have to write component of a in the direction of b, means what, in the direction of I cap plus j cap. Here second vector we have taken vector b as. So student, a vector a dot vector b, vector a which is given 2I cap plus 3j, clear, dot vector b, that is what, I cap plus j cap, and here mod of vector b, that is what, b, and you know that mod of that is what, 1 square plus 1 square, that is what, under root 2. So b can be written as under root 2, which is this one. And student, now multiply this. This is written as, so 2 I dot I, that is what, 1 cos 0. So I dot I, that is what, 1. So I dot I, which is written as 1, so it is written as 2. I dot I 1. I dot j, 1 cos 90, that is what, 0. And j dot I 90 degree, so that is what, 0. J dot j, that is what, 1. So it can be written as what, 3. So that is what, root 2. And student, it comes out to be that 3 to 5 by root 2. So this is the component of vector A in the direction of vector B, which is 5 by root 2. And second case also we have to find. This is what? First case in the direction of I cap and j cap. And student, for second case we use same formula. Here in second case let B equal to, that is what, minus, in second case we take let B equal to I minus j cap, using formula A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, same as it is, and A cos theta component of A in the direction of B, only we have to change it here. So A dot B, that is what, 2I plus 3j. B, that is what, here change I cap minus j cap, and magnitude of B, that is what, again comes out to be that magnitude of vector B, that is what, or B comes out to be again here 1 square plus minus 1 square, that is what, root 2. So that is what, component of A in the direction of B, here second B vector, that is what, I cap minus j cap. So that is what, root 2. And student, again dot product I dot I 1, so it is written as what, 2. I dot j, that is what, 1 90, cancel out. J dot I 90, so j dot I 1 cos 90, cancel out. J dot j, that is what, 1, but 3 into minus 1, so that is what, minus 3, and by root 2. And another answer comes out to be that, student, minus 1 by root 2, which is the component of A in the direction of B. Here B, that is what, I cap minus j cap. So component of A in the direction of I cap plus j cap, its answer comes out to be that 5 by root 2, and component of A in the direction of I cap minus j cap, in this case comes out to be that minus 1 by root 2 5. So answer, that is what, 5 by root 2 in first case, and second case, that is what, 1 by minus 1 by root 2. So component of A in the direction of I cross plus j cap, which is 5 by root 2, and component of A in the direction of I cap minus j cap, which is minus 1 by root 2, and this is the answer of this question number 22. Thank you.